how can you keep your brain healthy? There are certain things that you can do to keep your brain healthy. The first one, what you can do is exercise. Consistent physical exercise will heal and keep your brain active because there are so many beautiful chemicals which are released in the brain while we exercise. Proper diet, which is very important to keep our mind and the brain healthy. Eat foods with protein which have unsaturated fat and fruits and vegetables that will activate it amazingly. Now, very important is sleep habits. Brain needs around 6 to 8 hours of sleep and a sleep which is undisturbed. Now, for having a good sleep, it's very, very important to have a proper diet, proper exercise, and undisturbed situations wherein you keep your mobile phone away from you while you sleep so that you do not wake up in between. And to have a good sleep, you can have water from morning till evening by 7 o'clock, and after that, you can reduce the quantity of the water that you drink because that will make you to be awake in the nights. So avoid drinking a lot of water in the nights. The fourth major important part is learning. Keep learning because that keeps your brain young, and the most important factor here is you can learn new languages because when you're learning new languages, there are so many brain cells which gets activated and that stimulates your brain. The other thing is, of course, have certain switch routines. Have a proper routines in your life, proper habits. It could be anything, any habits that you wanted to make. Continuously do that habit at least minimum for 2 months. Once you do it consistently for 2 months, you can see that your brain works much better than what it is. It will increase its memory system also, and also be little socializing. That will help you a lot because that will reduce and lower the depression, and it will trigger the brain process. So socialize yourself, work on the stress areas. Stress could be of anything. Stress could be of small things like work. It could be about uh, you're doing something, then you are planning for it. That also causes stress. So there are different types of stress. We can discuss this in next video, but presently, yes, you need to manage the stress. Try out yoga nidra. You can try out relaxations. You can you can start working on different meditations and breathing techniques which will definitely help you to reduce your stress. And keep reading books. When you start reading books, the words and stories definitely will reduce the risk of your cognitive decline. That is an amazing thing. And of course, avoiding any kind of substances. It could be like alcohol or drugs or smoking or anything that is bad for your brain's health. And also avoiding the mobile phone, which is a digital detox. These days, this is very, very important to keep yourself away from the screen time. Fix yourself to have a particular screen time, and while you go to the bed, please do not carry your phone onto your bed and look at the phone because that will start deactivating lot of cells in your brain, and because of that reason you will lose your memory, you will start losing your hair, you will start losing the skin color, you'll start seeing that there is a sagging on your skin, and you will start losing the memory system. So to avoid all these things, it's always better to have less screen time and do not carry the mobile phone to your bed. These are certain things that you can do to activate and to keep your brain healthy. I'm sure you all will be working on this and you'll definitely see tremendous results.